Today I'm going to be removing the plastic on the Tesla Model 3 and I'll show you where it is. It might be different for different cars, but let's get started and remove some of the plastic that comes on the brand new Model 3. So here we go. First bit of plastic is this main screen, so this will be fun to remove. Look at that, nice screen underneath. Very nice. And then we got up here, we got some here. And we got some in here, so let's remove that. Awesome. And I think we got the same over here as well. So let's remove that. Now we got this one. And there you go. That's all the sticky stuff all removed from the Model 3.